outright boring. Yeah, I want action. Yeah, that's a big one. Woo! There's a fine specimen. That's a lovely one. Just went boom, 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 and bang. You'll never see anything like this before. Stay tuned. Squid ribs, right at the barbecue. Love it. Okay guys, it's been many months in the making. I've had the boat for 6 months now. I already named it in my mind, but I didn't get a chance to actually get the day call done. If you see me out in the water on the road, give me a toot and I'll give you a thumbs up. Fine specimen. Anyway mate, let's give it. That's it. The official opening of the fine specimen. It will bring me luck as well as safe boating out there. Stay tuned for this episode. Check the microphone's working. I've been having audio issues lately, trying to get them fixed. Anyway, I'm off a very popular Perth beach here, Port Beach, and I'm going to be trolling a few lures, blue halco lures and bits of stuff like that. Tenor species is Taylor because there is a bit of reef here, and yeah, I just want to see how that goes, and then later on, chuff off, get a few squid, might head out deep, but have a good day fishing. Just do it. Alright, so I just dropped the soft plastic down, bit of weight, not much, how about that? I jagged this poor guy, a different kind of wrasse, but how about that? I've also got one of these jigs I want to try out, just for a bit of practice. Alright, so I've got a bit of colour. Yeah, that'll be alright. We're starting to become the wrasse king around here. First fish for the day, or second fish. We're nearly on the squid ground. I had a one over there, he came off. So I'm really hanging out for a squid. That's going to be my salvation today. Right, should be in the spot. The water's just, it's dark, it means it's a good spot. A lot of weed, that's the ribbon weed, and yeah, it's nice and calm. The wind's going to pick up, but that's good. 14 metres of water, a bit more for the breeze. I can't wait, really can't wait to get a squid. Yeah, so we're in heavy, deep water, so I'm using heavy jigs. All I want is like a handful of squid, and I'll be happy because today is just, it's been okay, but just outright boring, basically. Outright boring. Very happy to be out here, don't get me wrong, it's always a bonus, but yeah, I want action. Fine is fine. Oh my god. Might lose him. But yeah. He's a smallie. But I'm gonna take that. Mate, you are my salvation for today. I just love squid fishing. I just love it. It gives me a buzz, a sense of achievement. That is just fantastic. And I've got a really awesome recipe for this fine specimen. I did it last time, but there's no audio, so I have to do it again on one of my movies. It's going to be a real treat. It'll be a new technique. I don't think anyone else has ever done what I'm about to show you when I get home. on the assumption I'll get a few more squid. Oh, this is a big one. I thought it was stuck on weed. Oh man, it could be a cuttlefish. Ooh. Now this is, for me, this is extreme fishing. I love it. It's a big one. It's pretty safe for another one shot. More of those, mate, we've got a shot. So you beauty. Another fine specimen here. It's been really slow today, but I'm happy with the 3. I might get to that for this one. Alrighty. Okay. So I really can't complain. I mean, I hate complaining about fishing, and but these calamari, they give me a lot of joy. Good tucker too, good fish tucker. Oh, came off. I reckon the helicopter scared him off. Bugger, here's a good one too. I think this one's on. After losing that one, I actually cast this one further, let it sink. Maybe the same guy got it. Who knows? It's a fine specimen. Oh, it's a cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. There you go. Cuttlefish. And I haven't caught one of these for a while. So that cuttlefish, this sort of crystal my bite for me. So I need to wash this off. Otherwise I've got a nice black ink stain, which I don't mind because that's a good sign of a good fishing boat. All the way out there, surfing through the water. I'm not going to risk one shot. Oh, damn it. Almost busted me leg. Always a good one. Woohoo! Oh, and he just christened the fine specimen. Named the boat. Alright mate, that must be a really good luck charm there. I was meant to get the bottle of champagne and smash it on the boat to christen the name. But this guy here threw up his mucus all over my name. That's a lovely one. All the gooby on it. Oh, I think I hit the weed on this one. Then again, it could be a big cuttlefish. It's not pole stone, like a big wheat potato sack. Because weed they usually get snagged, but could be weed. Yeah, it sure is weed. Oh, it's weed and rock. Okay. I understand. There you go. Bit of limestone rock, bit of weed. Man, I really thought I was stuck on weed. Unbelievable. I don't know, it's just I thought it was hit the weed because I let it go down too much and a bit of weight and bang. Mate, that's the way to do it. That one there's got a bit of weight too. This squid are probably saying, who are you calling weight? Have you seen yourself, Dom? How do you think you got a bit of weight? That was strange. I had a hit, and he must have twisted his jig around, and as I got it up, you saw it was upside down. I saw him come close to the boat, so hopefully he's still around. Oh, there's the one. Maybe weed. Oh, yeah, that's a big one. Woo! Taking that line as well. That's what we're talking about. Woo! There we go. Surf, drop this one down. Yeah, he's right on the ground. Oh no. Come on. Yeah. That's it. Boy, again, beautiful. I'm in love with squid. Woo! Sorry, mate. So it's a real patience game, squidding. Tell you what, you know, you drift over, think you might get one, but yeah, always keep a lookout on your rod tips. You see them sort of buckle over. There might be a bit of tension because of the weight of the squid or a bit of weed, and like you saw me, hope it was running, picked it up and I just struck trying to set the hook, assuming it is a squid. Awesome, man. I was reeling the other one up, thought it was a snag. I think there's a bit of weed, and this one here, he just went boom, 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 and bang. Yeah, another fine spesser. Oh. Beautiful. I was just trying to take a photo of the other ones, but if you don't do them quickly, they lose their colour. That there is what did I come out here for? Righto. Joy. Okay, we're out of here. Great time. Caught the 8 squid, or 7 squid, 1 cuttlefish. It's going to be an epic cook up. You're guaranteed. I mean, you'll never see anything like this before. Stay tuned. Pretty good. You just slow down. No need to be a hero. It's bloody gnarly here. Righto, so here's the squid we caught. Got a few others, but I'm just going to show you how I'm going to clean these up. Right off here. Put your finger through. Grab onto it. Twist. And there you go. So that's the tube with the flaps still attached. But you got the guts and the head and the tentacles in one piece. Just carefully pierce the membrane. Just like that. Put your finger in. And you should be able to grab it like that and just tear it away from the flesh. There you go. Okay, give it a good rinse inside. That's exactly what I want. An absolutely brand new trick. Now I'm going to tell you the name. It's actually going to be called calamari ribs. Now the way you cook it, obviously there's no ribs in it, but the way I dress it up and cook it, it looks like a bloody rack of ribs. It's time to cook these up. I am cooking off on the barbecue. I've got the grill on nice and hot. First thing to do, salt them. A simple black pepper. So it's going to be a very sharp knife. I'm just going to cut the tube I'm not going to cut the flap. So the more cuts you do on the flesh, the more better it cooks in the less time, and it actually tenderises it when you actually eat it. It's actually very delicious. So I'll do that. Sprinkle some olive oil. This side first, and then when we turn it upside down, I'm going to show you a trick, and it's going to transition this into squid ribs. Okay, so that's pretty warm. Whew. Let's fire away. I'll quickly show you what's going to happen now. Flip it upside down, like that. There you go. This one here as well. I just love that texture there, the charred bit. This is how you get your squid ribs. Very sharp knife, cut along this other side of the tube. Watch what's going to happen. It's going to open up itself. There's a bit of guts there which we can still discard. Check that out. Do on this one here as well. It opens up, and there you go, squid. You've got calamari ribs here. Bit of pepper too. He's just fantastic. So happy I found this out the other day. What we're going to do as well, to get that door charred inside, just cut that there off, is we flip it over. Oh yeah. So that way all of the calamari is exposed to the hot grill. I'm going to cook it until it's charred, not overcooked, and you just, oh, it's just delightful. Check that out. Never ever have I seen this anywhere on TV, YouTube. Premiere first here on Dom's Fishing Adventures. Calamari ribs, mate, it's epic. There we go. Just a bit more oil and some lemon juice. Voila, squid ribs right on the barbecue. Love it. Okay, so here's for the taste test. Calamari ribs. Here we go. Grilled on inside and outside. I mean, look at that. This presentation wise, this is fantastic. If you don't want to use your fork, you can just use your fingers and just tear the pieces open. This is fantastic. Make sure you subscribe and like the show if you like this, and we'll see you next time. Bon appetit. Take it easy. Oh, what a winner. Absolute winner. Got a phone call, take it easy. Oh, Ange, how are you? Oh, not too bad, I'm just out on the bike. yeah, I was just signing off. In fact, I'm still recording. Hi, Ange, you're going to be on YouTube.